Hi all, this is Shubham and I'm a banking professional and currently I'm pursuing my MBA in risk management. But before 2-3 months back in my curriculum, it was essentially needed for me to enhance my skills into the field of data analytics. So I was like searching in the internet and YouTube and all other sites in Google, and finally came to know about this institution which is being called Data Gyan. But for at the first I was a little bit skeptical that whether I should go for this institution or not, because I was literally unknown about the field of data analytics, and the reason, one more reason is there, that I was like afraid due to my background, because my background, I'm a complete science background student. So but when I interacted with Ranjan sir, who is the trainer of Data Gyan, he cleared my each and every bit of doubts which I had, and then I decided to pursue my this training program, start here from Data Gyan itself, and I have successfully completed this 3 months of program, and I would really rate this program 10 out of 10, because this program is designed in such a way that when a student or when a professionals, whether he has experience or not, when he should enter into the into the the corporate sector, he will be not facing any such problems, because all those things which you essentially know, which is being required into the data analytics divisions, those portions is extensively covered in this training program. And at the end of the course also, you'll be given an exposure to the mock interview sessions, where you'll be given n number of questions related to the data analytics field. So I right now have a lots of offers from different companies, and that's why all those banking professionals or all those students or experienced professionals who really wanted to pursue their career into the field of data analytics, it is highly recommended to join Data Gyan. Thank you very much.